sculpting a really cute 3D design. I'm gonna add it
That's
on.
what I love about the 4D. The 4D just makes it fast. And I got lots of time to work with it. It's not going to cure on me. I don't know if this is going to screw up my... Nah, my hand will go over it. I just need my beads. They're in the middle here. Where's my hand?
So I'm gonna add some right in the between, right in the center of the petals. And then I have a whole tray with 22 different slots with different products. I'm gonna have it's a full tray of the beads and frame right here. That is a special exclusive for Black Friday. I just need half of it off on that. I need some more beads. And it's going to be gone after the Black Friday for the price.
I got mine. So excited. I love it. When I was using it to do my other nails, that's what I used.
More beads.
I used all the crystals from there.
Bigger. Big, smaller, big. And I'm gonna go ahead. I haven't put any of the top coat yet because I'm gonna lay the chain first. Thank you. The tray of beads and frame is so full and packed with like frame and beads. I have to separate into like 2-3 tray, so then I can able to get in there and get a lot of like beads and frame
There's
out.
so many colors in there. I love that. I love that kit. It's like, oh my gosh. And there's colors in there that you can't get in our Instapack, which I really love, because all of the ones you see in my tray right here are all former Instapack crystals that you get like all the different sizes, but it's not all the same colors. So I got colors that I couldn't have before, so I'm really excited. But that kit is at home. I didn't know I was going to go live today. I would have brought it here, but when you guys seen how this started without all the beads in, it was cute, but the beads is what makes it.
Yep. Pay attention and help.
I always finish off, like when I do the crystals, finish off with one at the top and one at the bottom. Otherwise, you just leave that last little crystal just kind of hanging out there. Make sure everything's where it needs to be. Look both directions to make sure it's straight. Oh my God, I love this one because it's totally different than all my other ones. I don't like to do the same. Oops, sorry if I'm out of frame.
All right, so I'm gonna coat the top coat on, floating even on the top of the chains as well. And then I'm gonna add some beads on. That's cool about this kit. This is a Black Friday kit. It's not Ultimate Kits. It's a Black Friday exclusive kit.
With you got the Black Friday one. Yeah.
This one, it has all the frames, all the beads, also a lot of shape. There are like 36, like over 60 different shapes that you can clean that one quick.
It's such a great kit. If you don't have a lot of crystals, that gives you such a different assortment. So it's a great starter kit because there's everything in it. You've got neon, you've got regular. So right now my nail's curing for 60 seconds.
Give me that beads back.
Cleaning up my station, so I'm ready for my customer who's coming in 3 minutes. We did so good.
That's awesome.
2 nails, so fast.
Thank you for joining.
I'm going to use my precision glue gel. It's got the little cap. You just pop that off. Go around and feel if there's any scratchy areas first. I got fuzz on my hand. I don't know where I got fuzz from. It's got to be from my coat. My fuzzy black coat that I love to wear. So they're actually all seated in really well. So I'm going to go over my gold pieces. can get a little squeeze. A brand new one, so I'm trying to be careful. I got this one. Was this in my sub box this month or last month? My precision glue gel.
Well, last month, I think.
Yeah, you guys, you get so much stuff in your sub box. I needed a new one at work, so I brought it here. So I'm going over all my metal beads because otherwise, with all of our hand washing, they might tarnish.
Some add beads on. You can add crystal on if you prefer, okay? It doesn't have to be just the beads on. I just add some beads on.
And welcome, everyone. Just come in. Welcome to Glitz Success and such. And any product that you guys see here, see Nancy or Vicky use, you can find them on glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. We currently have Black Friday going on. You have to get up to 80% off most product.
Sticker at $1. Four is $7.
So crazy. So I put my cuticle oil on.
So grab the crazy deal while it still lasts. And then a lot of them, if you are like notice, oh my god, it's sold out. So don't be a last person. Just get it. So you get the stock for whole entire upcoming holidays throughout the years.
Today's the last day.
Today's the last day
to get your free treasure bag or your free
treasure box of
oh my gosh, my nails, this hands look so good.
$99 or more. You are receiving a free mystery treasure bags, and for it's $399 after special sales and discount. Make sure you are get closer. If you're closer to like a few dollars, $2, couple of dollars away, don't miss it out because you want to grab that free treasure bags. So I am so excited and I can't wait to see so many different beautiful creation that you are going to create it. There are so many products that on a special sales up to 30% off on all like a la carte, and chamfer foils up to 60% off. Stickers is over 80%, so like 83%. So grab them while you can. And
Lots of Christmas foil. So on my nails, the backgrounds of my nails are the Christmas foil on a couple of them. There's one of the Christmas foil.